सीधे चलेंगे कोलालमपुर, जहां विदेश मंत्रालय के प्रवक्ता प्रेस को संबोधित कर रहे हैं।
Incidents that has occurred in the recent past. Therefore, what is needed is a new global resolve to come together and to fight this menace without blaming for anyone for political consideration and without blaming any religion in this respect. No country should support terrorism. There should be no sanctuaries for terrorism. There should be no funding for terrorism. There should be no access to arms to countries who sponsor terrorism. And he also said that it was very important to dealing terrorism from religion. The second point was regarding the fact that there should be a resolve in the summit to stand together and to not to retreat in the face of terror. Third is to have an open and a balanced architecture in the region, and that should be based on international norms and international law. The oceans, he said, were common pathways of security, and freedom of navigation and overflight must be respected. These principles must be respected by all. Territorial disputes must be settled by peaceful means, and also he gave the example of India and Bangladesh, the way that they solved our boundary issue and the territorial claims, and by going to UNCLOS and respecting their arbitration decision. So he hoped that those who are engaged in disputes would also look at that example. He talked about the guidelines of implementation of the declaration of the Code of Conduct and also early adoption of the Code of Conduct by consensus. Third issue which he talked about was a strong commitment that was required by East Asia Summit members on a cyber security network and behavior. He also talked about a similar pact in terms of outer space and in non-proliferation.
तो सेक्रेटरी ईस्ट संबोधित कर रहे थे प्रेस को, बता रहे थे कि प्रधानमंत्री ने आज पूर्वी एशियाई देशों के सम्मेलन में किन महत्वपूर्ण बातों पर जोर दिया है, खासतौर से आतंकवाद को किस प्रकार से उसका सामना करना है और किस प्रकार से उससे निपटना है। इसको लेकर एक साझा रणनीति की बात प्रधानमंत्री ने वहां कही है। इसके अलावा क्षेत्रीय सुरक्षा पर बल दिया है और ये भी कहा है कि शांतिपूर्ण तरीके से देश अपने बीच जो भी मतभेद सीमा बाउंड्री को लेकर हैं उसे दूर करना चाहिए। इन तमाम बातों पर प्रधानमंत्री ने अपने भाषण में जोर दिया है, जिसके बारे में सेक्रेटरी ईस्ट संबोधित कर रहे थे प्रेस को। चलते हैं